So here I'm going to show you how you can get into your textbook pages and find an assignment, the writing assignment for today. So you're going to go all the way down to the bottom of your Mind tab, and you have this Vital Source ebook, which is the book that I suggest that you use. If you use the regular ebook in Mind tab, it will have more of the audio and video, but this gives you more of a view that looks exactly like the pages of your book. So for today, you have a writing assignment. And we're just going to say no thanks. I'll skip this step. Today, you're going to have a writing assignment on page 30. So what I'll do down here is just skip to page 30. And you can pull this up, but these are the directions for your writing activity. Paso 1, you're going to create a Venn diagram, such as the one below. In the middle section where the circles overlap, you're going to write any adjectives that are common to both yourself and your best friend. So use adjectives from the chapter that we learned, and then adjectives that are unique to yourself on the left, and then mi mejor amigo, your best friend, on the right. So we have conservador, and then in the middle we have simpático and liberal for yo. Paso 2, you're also going to write a sentence in which you introduce your readers to yourself and to your best friend. So you might start out with, yo soy señora cordiale, yo soy simpática e inteligente. And then you may say something about your best friend. You may say something like, mi mejor amigo es generoso y simpático. You want to write a sentence for yourself and one for your best friend. Paso 3, here you're going to, using the information you generated in Paso 1, you're going to continue your paragraph with two or three sentences in which you describe the qualities that you and your friend have in common, and another 2 that describe the qualities that are unique. So you may say something like, mi mejor amigo y yo somos, we are, and then you may say somos simpáticos e inteligentes, and then you want to write 2 or 3 sentences like that, mi mejor amigo or mi mejor amiga if it's a woman, y yo somos, we are. And then for the second part of that, you're going to write 2 or 3 sentences that are unique to yourself and your best friend. So you may say, yo soy atlética, mi mejor amiga es, or mi mejor amigo if it's a boy, es inteligente. Paso 4, you're going to write a conclusion statement that wraps up the paragraph. So just one more sentence. And then at the end, you just want to edit your paragraph. You want to make sure that the adjectives, remember, adjectives have to agree in number and gender. So if I say yo soy simpáticos, cos would not be correct because I'm just one woman. So I would say yo soy simpática. And if it were mi mejor amigo y yo somos, then you could put simpáticos. You want to make sure you check your spelling, including your accent marks. Your paragraphs at this point are not going to be perfect, but I do want you to spend some time making sure that everything is as it should be, as you learned in class. Can you vary some of the sentences by using expressions like también also? So you can say something like también soy inteligente. I also am inteligente. It's just going to help you in the future. Also in 3, it says, are there any sentences that could be joined with either y, like and, or pero, but. So make sure you try to integrate some of those words in your paragraph. And this is going to be due based on the calendar. Just check that out for the due date. And this is your assignment. If you have any questions, you can check in with me. Muchas gracias.